Okay, so in this video, we are going to talk about the Hue Circle, and I'm going to be introducing new vocabulary for you to adopt. So by this time, you should have recreated or adjusted your Hue Circle, and hopefully you saw the last video that I posted with how to be able to achieve this. But this is a Hue Circle that I want you to work with. And again, we refer to this as a Hue Circle and not as a color wheel, because I did, when we were meeting in class, we talked about what a color wheel was and what it did. So if you have this completed on your file, let's go to the next page. So first of all, in this Hue Circle of MIC, we have magenta, yellow, and cyan. These are known as the primary colors. We also have the secondary colors. When you mix two primaries together, you get a secondary colors. These secondary colors include the names green, red, orange, and violet, not purple, which I will explain later on. After that, we have our third generation, and these colors are called intermediate colors. Now, because we're working with a 18 slice pie, there are two intermediate colors per color. And so either one of them can be identified as an intermediate. So we have yellow greens, or yellow green, plural and singular. We have our blue greens, our intermediate colors. We have blue violets. We have oranges. We have reds. And we have red violets. These are the third generation of colors. The next thing I want to talk about are complements or complementary colors. Now, I want to make a point here about the spelling of complements. To give a compliment to somebody about how nice they look would be COMPLIMENTS. To talk about complementary relationships in colors, it is COMPLEMENTS. Please be aware of this spelling, because points will be taken off if you misspell this word. So complements are pretty simple. On the Hue Circle, all they are colors that oppose each other on the Hue Circle. So in this case, yellow and violet are complements. Green and magenta are complements. Cyan and red-orange are complements. This applies to all the colors that oppose another color on the Hue Circle, directly oppose each other. These are direct complements. Along with complements, in addition to it, we also have indirect complements. And what indirect complements are and I'll show you on the next slide, are complements that are not direct, meaning it's not a straight line. So in this case, the indirect complement for yellow would be either red-violet or blue-violet. The indirect complement for violets would be yellow-green or yellow-orange, not yellow. If it were yellow, it would be a direct complement. If it were yellow, it would be a direct complement. If it's an indirect complement, it would be the color to the left or to the right of the complement. That ends this video A.